If you want to achieve your dream bust without surgery, and don't want to spend thousands. If you ever wanted to go from this to this. Meet Pamela. She wanted to boost her bust but didn't want to spend thousands. From A's, B's, C's in just a few months without the risk of surgical implants. Unfortunately, surgery costs are too high, implants are too risky. She wants permanent results but is having trouble finding a solution. That was until she discovered the amazing Perfect C breast enhancer. So now Pamela can be happy. No surgery risks. All natural, at an affordable price. Perfect C is a safe, natural, painless, non-surgical solution with noticeable results. That has helped average and smaller bust line girls increase up to 3 cup sizes. From A's and B's, to C's to D's and even double D's. Perfect C has been featured in leading newspapers, magazines, shopping channels, and has rave reviews throughout Europe. Perfect C is all natural, which puts you in control of your body, while gaining the attention you deserve. If you want a more impressive bust line, and experience the confidence of larger and firmer breasts, the solution is here. Try Perfect C. Visit us today at perfectc.co.uk.